This is Andrea speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a reservation.
Okay, sir. May I have your name and contact number, please?
I'm Jervin D. Pendre and my contact number is 0993-113-4841.
When would you like to book your table reservation?
On May 23 at 8 p.m.
Wait for a while, Sir Pendre. I will check if we have available table for that.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting. We have available table. A table for how many, sir?
Table for 2, please.
Where would you like to sit? Do you prefer a smoking area or not?
Non-smoking area, please.
Sir, allow me to confirm your table reservation.
Go ahead.
Okay, you have requested a table for 2 and a non-smoking area for Friday, May 23 at 8 p.m. under the name of Mr. Jervin Pendre. Your contact number is 0993-11-34841. Kindly confirm these details if correct.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you very much for calling, Mr. Pendre. We look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day ahead.
Good afternoon. A warm welcome to our restaurant. What can I do for you, ma'am?
Good afternoon. We don't have reservation, but we were hoping to get a table for you.
Let me just check. Oh, I'm sorry, but we don't have any vacant tables at this time.
Oh, really? That's a shame.
Yes, it is. We've been quite busy today. If you'd like to wait, we can add you to our wait list, and we'll notify you as soon as a table becomes available. It's currently about 15 minutes to 20 minutes wait. Would you like that?
I'm not sure if we can wait that long.
I understand, ma'am, but if you'd like to try again later, perhaps around 4 p.m. or after 6 p.m., we might have more availability.
Alright, thank you for the information. We might try again later.
You are very welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. Would you like to order a la carte today? What does a la carte mean? A la carte means you can choose and pay for each dish separately. You pick only what you want to eat.
Okay, that sounds good. Can I have the menu?
Of course, here is our a la carte menu. Please take your time.
Okay, I'll have grilled chicken and rice and a lemonade.
Great choice. Would you like to add a dessert?
Okay, I would like a slice of chocolate cake, please.
Got it. I place your order now. Please wait a few minutes. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Jimberly Malubay and I'll be serving your wine today. May I offer you something today? Do you have a Wolf Glass in Cabernet Sauvignon? Yes, ma'am. We have Wolf Glass Cabernet Sauvignon, vintage 2021 from Australia. Would you like a glass or a bottle?
Just a glass, please.
Very well, ma'am. I'll present the bottle to you. Here is your Wolf Glass Cabernet Sauvignon 2021.
Yes, that's the one.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll open it now.
evening, sir. Welcome to La Vintage Palette. I'm Jordan, your cook and server for today. I will be preparing and serving your flambe here at your table.
Alright, thank you.
First, I will put butter in the pan. Now I will add sugar. Next is add the banana. Now I will add the ram. The flame here helps bring up the flavor. Your flambe is ready, sir. Here's your flambe, sir. Enjoy your dining experience.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for calling room service at La Vintage Palette Hotel. This is David John speaking. May I confirm that this call is from room 1290 under the registration of Mr. James?
Yes, this is James from 1290.
Thank you, Mr. James. How may I assist you with your order today?
I would like to order meals and snacks for 4 people.
Certainly, Mr. James, I am glad to assist you. Have you checked our in-room dining menu, or would you like me to provide some recommendations for your group of 4?
I already have our orders to place.
Great. May I have your order, please?
We'd like to order 2 fried salmon fillet, 2 blue marlin supreme, and for dessert, 4 blueberry cheesecake.
Thank you for that, Mr. James. Would you also like to order any drinks to accompany your meals? We have a selection of soft drinks, juices, wines, and cocktails available.
That would be great. Can you recommend some to us?
We offer a variety of refreshing options, including freshly squeezed juices such as orange and cranberry, mocktails like Virgin Mojito, Virgin Pina Colada, Shirley Temple, and Cucumber Cooler, as well as the selection of fine wines, including Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Riesling. Please let me know your choice of drinks.
Add 2 glasses of Shirley Temple and 2 glasses of Virgin Pina Colada on our order.
Thank you, Mr. James. To confirm your order, 2 fried salmon fillet, 2 blue marlin supreme, 4 blueberry cheesecake, and 2 glasses of Shirley Temple, and 2 glasses of Virgin Pina Colada. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Is there anything you want to add, sir?
No, that would be all.
Your total bill for this order will be 4,280 pesos. May I kindly confirm your preferred method of payment? You may charge this to your room account or pay upon delivery using cash or card.
Charge this in our room account.
This is noted and will proceed accordingly. We will begin preparing your orders right away. Please allow our kitchen to prepare your orders for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, and we will bring it directly to room 1290. Is there anything I may assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
It is our pleasure, Mr. James. Thank you for choosing La Vintage Palette Hotel. We hope you enjoy your meal. Have a pleasant morning, sir. Good morning, I am David from room service. I have your in-room dining order ready. Meals and snacks for 4 guests as requested. May I come in to set it up for you?
Come, just place our order on the dining table.
Everything is all set, Mr. James. If you're done with your dishes, we can schedule a pick-up at your preferred time. Or you may simply contact room service when you are ready and we will return to collect the soiled dishes.
Alright, we will just call.
Is there anything else you may need? Please feel free to dial room service at 169. Again, thank you for choosing La Vintage Palette Hotel. We hope you enjoy your meal and have a satisfying morning. Good morning. Thank you for calling room service at La Vintage Palette Hotel. This is David John speaking.
Hello? We're done with our meal. Could you please arrange for someone to pick up the soiled dishes from our room?
Absolutely. May I confirm that this is for room 129D?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, Mr. James. We'll have a staff member come by to collect the dishes within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Will it be alright to enter the room for collection, or would you prefer to have them placed outside the door?
We'll let them in to collect the dishes.
Understood. We'll proceed accordingly. If there anything else we can assist you with, please don't hesitate to let us know.
Thank you.
Thank you again, Mr. James. We hope you had a delightful meal. Have a relaxing rest of your day. Good morning, Mr. James. This is David John from room service. I've come to collect the used dishes as requested. May I come in?
Yes, come in.
All done, Mr. James. Thank you once again for dining with us. Should you need anything further, we just a call away. Enjoy the rest of your time at La Vintage Palette Hotel.